So yeah, this is the audio interface that I'm going to be using, where I'm going to put in the microphone, and this is where I set the gain to see how much it picks up in sound wise. So dusty, but it feels the love. Oops. I'm going to load up a new project here on Logic, creating a new track on Logic so that I can record the sound onto it. Yep. So only going to need one. Delete the other one. Yep. So I'm going to grab the clip from our filming. Yep, this one. So I'm going to take that clip and then load it into Logic, just so that I can just follow the timings. We're not going to extract the audio track. Make that smaller on the side. Oh, why is she doing it so slow? Boom! Damn, that was so scary. I scared myself.